When your journey through life gets tangled, you often walk lonely places, needing help. But He is very near, everything for you. The Almighty God, the Sovereign Lord is He.
Are you groaning in despair, having lost your purpose, feeling useless? You groan in pain.
Wait, and you will find your purpose.
Know the meaning of life.
Face your lonely life head on, feeling worthless to everyone. Your whole world is shrouded in darkness. But wait, He will surely come. Your very own helper, your angel. The storm clouds have cleared, the sun has now risen. Arise, your helper, your angel has appeared.